Assalamu alaikum everyone. For today's recipe, I'll be making beef tikka masala in an instant pot. Very simple recipe again, but with an instant pot, it's really fast to make this and really quick. So just the basic spices, and also I'll be adding some curry powder in there for the extra flavor, just maybe a tablespoon, and then I have about 2 pounds of beef, some fried onion, a cup of yogurt, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, or you can take one of each. And then I'm just going to start by setting my instant pot on saute mode, and then adding all the ingredients in there. So I can start with the oil, the beef, and then I'll add 1 cup of water, yogurt, the spices, and which are salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, or crushed black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder, no turmeric, and then I'll just go ahead and add like 1/4 cup of lemon juice, or just I had fresh lemon, so I used the whole lemon. And then I'll just I've made this recipe before using just a regular pot, and it took me about 2 hours to cook the beef, but then in an instant pot it was only about 15 minutes on high pressure, and then I just I just sauteed it, like I put it on saute mode, and then cooked it for another 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat, and it was done. So it took me about half an hour just to cook the meat. And so here I'm just going to add everything into the pot, and then once it comes to a boil like that, you can see I have a lot of gravy in there already. I'm just going to close the cover, put it on high pressure, and take it off the saute mode, and then put it on meat and stew, and then just on for about 15 minutes. And then after the 15 minutes, I'll turn it off, release the steam, or I can just let it sit, and release the steam after about 10 to 15 minutes. Open the pot, and you can see I had a lot of gravy to work with. Again, it was just I guess the beef has its own water, and then I just cooked everything in there. I didn't add any extra water. And then you can see it's about 60% done at this point after 15 minutes of high pressure. So I'm just going to start the saute again, and then put it on medium heat and let it cook for about 10-15 minutes. I just closed it or I covered it with just a regular plate or a cover, and after 15 minutes you can see the gravy is much thicker, and that's how it should be for this recipe. And the meat is nicely done, and I just added some fresh ginger and some coriander leaves. Very quick, easy, and it's actually really delicious. So you should try it if you're looking for a quick, simple recipe. So I'm just going to turn off the instant pot, and there you can have it with roti, naan, or just plain rice of your choice. And then thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.